What is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. If you're a Poco X3 user, if you're a Poco X3 Pro user and you're using your device without a back cover, I'm gonna share with you a very interesting kind of back cover, a camera shutter cover for your device, which is actually looking quite good. I've ordered it, I'm using that cover on my device and I will just apply that cover on my device. Poco X3 comes with the plastic bag and you know that just doesn't look good. This is the back cover which is not actually the back cover which I'm gonna share with you. This is the back cover which I have applied on my device from past some days. This is how the back cover is going. It's just working good. I didn't got any major issues there, but the thing is, as you can see, the camera is still there. If I use something different, if I want to use something different, I'm gonna share with you that cover. That cover is actually quite great here. Let me just show you which cover I'm talking about right now. This is the cover and the link for this back cover is in the description. It has very interesting kind of thing. The material is absolutely same like the previous one which I have already applied on my device, but it has this interesting feature which is called camera shutter cover, which is actually good. Of course I need this cover on my device for sure because I need to use camera on my devices, especially for Poco X3. It's actually a big requirement for me, and yes, I've ordered it, I'm using it. This camera cover looks quite good. This back cover looks quite good. Material, as I previously mentioned to, is kind of same with the cover which I have applied on my device is almost same like this one. Plastic bag is not good, so this is why we need to use the back cover. So let me just apply it. Let me show you that how this cover is looking like on my device, and this is how it is looking like. The camera has a lot more security now and it actually looks quite good. And if you want to turn off your camera, or simply just swipe up from here basically, and now your camera is safe. Hopefully safe, not sure, but yes, it's safe. It's actually good. It is very good. It's just looking quite perfect on my device, and we have almost good kind of coating there everywhere. The back side looks good. It has every simple kind of things. It is not a main themed kind of back cover. Actually, it's normal back cover. It's not a heavy back cover, which is actually good. We have their branding, the brand option, and the link for this purchase option is also in the description. Make sure to check out that. If you want to order this cover right now on your device, you can simply buy it very easily by just checking out the link in the description. And this is very smooth. Actually, the back cover is looking quite good. As you can see, the shutter is looking good. Little bit of tightness is there because it is a very interesting thing, and this should be tight, and yes, it is tight, so no worries about this one. And this is how it is looking like. If we talk about other things about this cover, for example, these buttons, yes, we have the fingerprint gesture which is perfectly themed here, perfectly matched with everything. We have the speaker there which is just working good, visible there. These speakers and other things are looking good here. The jack options are properly attachable. You can use all your options if you want to. The cover is looking quite good. If you want to purchase, link is in the description. This is all from today's short and simple video. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.